Hi everyone, welcome back. Just came to drop in a recipe for an amazing tea cake that's soft, moist, and very delicious. Hope you will like it. You may use a whisk, which I feel might take a bit of time, so here I've used a blender. You will have to powder around 1 cup of sugar. You may add quarter cup more for an extra sweetness to the cake. Here it goes. Then to this add 1 cup ghee. Instead of this you can add melted butter or oil, but ghee tastes better. Pulse it a few times to get a creamy texture. Now to this goes 3 eggs. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla powder or 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence. Blend this for a few seconds. Now you get this mixture. Now to this add 5 or 6 tablespoons of milk or quarter cup I'll say. Blend this all together for 10 to 15 seconds on low speed. And then you get this wet mixture. Transfer this to a mixing bowl. Now in another bowl, sift 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and quarter teaspoon salt or a pinch. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture a little at a time and whisk together. And here's the cake batter. It's almost time to bake, so first preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Prepare the baking tin by lining it with baking paper. Pour the cake batter and tap a few times to release air bubbles. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes and check if a toothpick comes out clean before taking it out from the oven. And that's ready. Make sure it has cooled down a bit before slicing. Now have this delicious cake with your family for your evening tea, or let this be one of the dishes for your tea party. See you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.